Here, hi. Hi, this is Ayn, and I'm Dr. Sunil. Ayn, hello.
Hello.
So today is the day that I already, it took me many years to invent this disposable handpiece and this disposable burrs. Okay, you can see that I have put my signature on the first video. My signature Sunil 5. I don't know you can see or not. Can you see? Can? It's okay. So this is a Go Thailand. Go Thailand is the brand. Okay. Very nice handpiece. Everything from Germany. Same like Germany. They sell too expensive. Now I'm gonna make it very reasonable for the whole world to use. Very simple. I'm very excited. So Ayn will be doing the drill, everything, and then after that I'll just give him and tell him to take home. So this is also not disposable. This is the first clinic maybe in the world. There may be some other places also, I don't know, but for me it's my first day of doing it. So I'm very happy and very excited. I mean a new chair also today. Chair is also mine, so I'm very happy. So let's rock and roll. Let's start. Bye bye. See how it goes.
And Dr. Sunil is number 1, not number 10, number 1.
Number 5 and number 5.
Number 5.
Number 5. Okay. Bye bye. Come now. Let's.